Look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the airbags, head curtain side impact, front outboard seating positions, GVWR, 10,000 pounds, 4536 kilograms, mirrors, outside heated power adjustable vertical camper manual folding and extension, black, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, V20 diesel compatible, transmission, Allison 1000 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled, skid plate package, frame mounted shields, LTZ Plus package, wheels, 20 inches, 50.8 centimeters, forged polished aluminum, rear view camera system and the license plate front mounting package. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.